Hair gel is a daily product used by millions, shaping styles, identities, and confidence worldwide. Behind its smooth texture lies a complex industrial process few people ever see. Today we go inside a modern hair gel factory. From raw materials to finished products, every step is precisely controlled. This is manufacturing at an industrial scale. Welcome inside the hair gel factory.
Journey to become pure gel.
Many hair gels begin with natural ingredients such as aloe vera. These plants are cultivated for their hydrating and soothing properties. Once harvested, raw materials are transported for further processing. The inner aloe gel is rich in water and bioactive compounds. Only selected materials meet industrial quality standards. They are now ready for industrial transformation. Hair gel also relies on carefully engineered synthetic polymers. These compounds give the gel its hold, structure, and durability. Precision chemistry ensures consistent performance in every batch. Strict safety procedures protect both workers and materials. The ingredients are stabilized and sealed for transport. They are now shipped to the hair gel factory.
Journey to become pure gel.
All ingredients arrive at the factory loading docks. Each delivery is scanned and digitally recorded.
Thousands of fresh aloe leaves begin their journey through the advanced facility.
Laboratory technicians take samples for quality verification. Approved materials are transferred into secure storage systems. Nothing moves forward without full validation. Production is now ready to begin. Water makes up the majority of hair gel formulas. It must be purified to extremely high standards.
High-pressure jets of purified water ensure every leaf is flawlessly cleansed for purity.
Advanced filtration and UV treatment remove all impurities. Sensors continuously monitor water quality. Only crystal clear, purified water is approved for use. The base ingredient is now ready for formulation.
Gigantic industrial grinders pulverize the fibrous aloe, unlocking its precious inner gel.
This is where the hair gel formula comes to life. Automated systems dose each ingredient with precision. Polymers slowly dissolve to form the gel structure.
The pure, potent aloe gel flows into sterile tanks.
Large agitators mix the formula at controlled speeds.
Ready for the subsequent purification stages.
Technicians monitor texture and viscosity in real time. The base hair gel is now complete. Fragrance plays a key role in the consumer experience. Specialist design scents specifically for hair care products. Conditioners and preservatives are carefully added. Color is adjusted to ensure visual consistency. The formula is blended one final time. Samples are prepared for laboratory testing.
Dedicated American workers meticulously oversee every phase from advanced digital control panels.
Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing. pH levels are measured to ensure skin compatibility. Heat and stability tests simulate long-term storage. Microbiological tests confirm product safety. Only approved batches are released for mass production. The gel moves to the packaging stage. Hair gel containers are produced directly at the factory. Injection molding machines shape each plastic container. The containers cool and harden on conveyor systems. Automated cameras detect even the smallest defects. Thousands of containers are produced every hour. They are now ready for filling. High-speed machines dispense gel into each container. Every unit receives the exact required amount. Conveyor belts move continuously without stopping. Sensors instantly detect overfills or errors. Efficiency and accuracy are essential at this stage. The filled containers move towards sealing. Lids are applied and sealed to protect the product. Heat sealing ensures airtight closure. Labels are applied to define brand identity. Barcodes provide full product traceability.
Advanced robotics ensure each label is wrapped and aligned with flawless precision. Thousands of perfectly labeled bottles queue for final packaging, ready for distribution.
Vision systems verify label accuracy. Finished units are nearly ready for market. Human inspectors perform final visual checks. Random samples are selected for additional testing. Drop tests ensure packaging strength during transport. All production data is reviewed and archived. Only flawless products receive final approval.
The packaging line operates with seamless, high-speed automation.
The hair gel is boxed for distribution. Finished products enter the automated warehouse. Robotic systems transport and stack pallets. Inventory is tracked in real time. Climate-controlled conditions preserve product quality. Customer orders are prepared for shipment. Pallets are wrapped and labeled for transport. Trucks are loaded with finished hair gel products. Shipments travel across regions and countries. Logistics hubs coordinate delivery schedules. Products arrive at retail distribution centers. Store deliveries are unpacked and organized. Hair gel reaches supermarket shelves. The journey ends where the product is purchased. A simple container holds a complex industrial story. Hair gel becomes part of everyday routines. Precision manufacturing supports daily confidence. Millions of units are produced every year.